Today we'll be discussing how you can buy yourself an audiophile grade system which just sounds great, and you can do that without breaking the bank. So let's get to it. First, let's talk about the amplifier. The amplifier that we'll be choosing over here would be the Yamaha RS202. Now, the Yamaha is well known for its signature sound. It does give you a slight warmth, and that helps us because the speaker we'll be pairing it up with will pair beautifully with the Yamaha RS202. This amplifier delivers 100 watts per channel of clean distortion-free audio. It also has two speaker terminals, A and B. So in case you want another set of speakers to be powered and you want to switch between them, then you do have that option. It also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can stream your music wirelessly. The price for the RS202 is roughly 20 to 24,000. You cannot have a better stereo amplifier at this price point. Honestly, I don't know how Yamaha has done it, but this amplifier just sounds incredible for the price. Now let's get on to the speaker that we'll be pairing it up with. We'll be pairing this up with the ELAC B6.2. These speakers were designed by the legendary Andrew Jones, and he is famous in the audiophile world for designing speakers that are well detailed, balanced, and neutral. So you can expect a well detailed sound signature from the ELACs along with incredible bass response. The speakers come with a 6.5 inch woofer, a 1 inch tweeter, soft dome tweeter, and they are front ported. So you don't have to worry about where you're placing them. They're incredibly placement friendly speakers. Now, this combination is honestly a great match because the Yamaha, with its warm and signature sound, it pairs up very beautifully with the analytical nature of the ELACs, and it provides it a flavor that you would enjoy. Especially if it's a living room, the warmthness that you get from the amplifier while listening to music, it's just very immersive. The RS202 adds depth and body to the sound, making vocals and instrument sound more lifelike. Meanwhile, the ELAC brings out more intricate details, especially in the mid-range and treb, ensuring you have every nuance in your music. This means that you'll get a full body rich sound along with a little warmth and enough power in case you have heavy responses that are needed by the speakers. Now, who is this setup for? This setup is for people who just want a no hassle setup. They want wireless music to be streamed, connect just two speakers to an amplifier, listen to music the old school way, and they want to listen to a good stereo system without spending a fortune. So whether you're listening to rock, jazz, techno, or the modern age music that you have, you'll get a very detailed and immersive experience thanks to the pairing of Yamaha with ELACs. At 70,000 price point, this setup will give you an experience of a high-end audiophile grade setup. So if you want to reach, let's say, 90% of that sound without spending a fortune, then this is the setup you should go for.